Have you ever wanted to add a smooth, modern animation to your PowerPoint slides that will instantly make your content pop? Today, I am going to show you a super fun flip card animation that changes as the content flips. Stay with me until the end because once you learn this effect, your slides will look fresh, dynamic, and unforgettable. Start by selecting the rectangle shape and drag it. Remove the outline and apply a color using shape fill. Insert a text box and type your letter. Use a bold font like Impact. Increase the size to 150 and center the text. Open Format Shape. Go to Text option. Choose Gradient Fill. Change the first gradient's top color. Delete the middle gradient's top and adjust the right gradient's top color. Duplicate this 3 times and change the letters to W, O, T. Distribute them horizontally and adjust the gradient position to align visually. Select all, cut them using Ctrl X and paste as a picture. Duplicate the picture using Ctrl Shift and open Artistic Effect. Choose Blur and set the blur value to 20. Increase brightness to around 6%. Right click, cut the blur image and choose Picture Hill. Select Clipboard so the blur image becomes your slide background. Insert a rounder rectangle and place it over the lower half. Pull the yellow handle to the left to curl the corner. Change the fill to Slide Background Fill and remove the outline. Add outer shadow. Then adjust transparency, blur, and distance until the highlight looks clean. Add the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats text boxes along with short description. Duplicate your slide 3 times. Once the second slide, move the rounder rectangle to highlight the second text. Flip it horizontally using the Arrange menu. On the third slide, move the rounder rectangle to highlight the third text. On the fourth slide, move the rounder rectangle to highlight the fourth text. Flip it horizontally again. On every slide, keep the highlighted text dark and turn the rest gray. Repeat this pattern for all slides to maintain consistency. Now, select the 3 transitioning slides and apply the Morph transition. When you run the slideshow, and card appears to flip smoothly and highlight each section one at a time. And that's how you build a clean and modern flip card animation in PowerPoint. It's simple, stylish, and turns even basic content into something that feels polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which animation you want to see next. Your suggestion always inspires my next tutorial.